Let's play along and pretend we're scared for a sec. And now it's gonna get really scary. Living the good life as a little rhino. Knowing you'll eventually hit 10 feet in length, tip the scales at over a ton, and become one of the planet's most formidable creatures with almost zero threats to worry about. Who can resist the charm of baby kangaroos? Especially when they're still afraid to leave their mom's side and hide in her pouch. But that phase doesn't last forever, and soon he won't need his mom's protection. Imagine being so tiny that you can bathe freely in a basin. But as you grow and gain over a ton of weight, you're gonna need a bigger tank. No, it's not a tiny dark cloud. Meet the baby bison.
There you are. Stick your tongue out. There you go.
Although with age, the cloud will increase in size. It'll be about 6.5 feet tall. But meeting these guys can be fun too. If you don't get out of the car. Starting as almost invisible creatures in the sand, crabs gradually grow bigger and more confident, and start using their claws as intended.
Surprise, mother...
As weapons.
Where's my money?
Would you bring this cutie home? It's a smart choice. You probably don't have a fish tank that would fit a bloodthirsty creature growing to 16 feet. No tricks or editing here. The pup is genuinely that tiny. Just like the girl next to her fully grown pet who still wants uppies. Baby polar bears look like cartoon characters. As they age, they become even more beautiful and definitely more commanding. However, just like the rest of us, it takes them a bit of time to freshen up after a good sleep. This little cutie is just starting to growl like a fierce predator. But he'll get better with the years. This cheetah is just 5 days old, and right now it's so cute it might overload your cuteness meter. But when they're adults, it's better to appreciate them from a distance.